Hi, in this video we will see how to remove Git from your project. It's very simple and straightforward and it's like less than 1 minute task. So before going to the tutorial, I want to mention one thing. If you are new in our channel, just subscribe to our channel. At first you need to open the project using Visual Studio Code, and once you are there, then we have to open the command plate window by pressing and holding three keys all together, Ctrl Shift P, and it will open this thing. You can also open that command plate from Visual Studio Code. So we have to click view and a menu will be appeared, and at the top you will see command plate. You can click here and it will open there. Now what we have to do, we have to close this project. So we can close this project by typing close, and you will see there is git close repository. So we need to choose this thing. So I'm going to click here and it will close the git repository, and finally from here we can close the window. We don't need it anymore, and I'm going to close. And our git code was located in this folder, so I'm going to open this, and here uh, we'll see one hidden file which is mentioned by .git. Sometimes you will not find this file, okay, or folder. So what you have to do at the time, you have to go view, and then there is a checkbox hidden items. We have to check this box, and once you check this box you will find .git folder is there. If you double click, you will access there and you will see there are lots of files. So we want to remove the entire git from our project. So what we have to do, we have to come back the main folder, and from here we have to select this and we need to delete this. We can delete this by pressing delete key, or we can right click and then we can click delete, and it will delete the git from our project. Now there will be no git, and if you open this code in Visual Studio, you will see there is nothing related to git. So let me show you whether it is really deleted or not. I see here it is deleted, but still I'm showing you just to double confirm you. So I'm opening Visual Studio Code. So once I am in the Visual Studio Code, now if we go there, see it is in the starting position. It is showing that initial repository. That means all git related code is gone, nothing is there. So if we want to uh, store this thing on git again, we need to start from the beginning. So in this way you can easily remove the git from your project completely. Hopefully by watching this video you learned how to remove the git thing completely. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want more like this type of video, please like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button to support our channel. Thank you for watching.